morning, ma'am.
Actually, today we are going to find out the diameter of a wire with the help of a device that is known as screw gauge. Clear? Now, what is the procedure and what is the principle on which screw gauge works out? Actually, screw gauge has various parts, like this is the linear scale that is given here with end wheel, and this is your also again the spindle, and this is the circular scale beta. Along with, whenever you just fit out or ease the thing in between these things, now the direction will give you the sound, and this sound is the indication that the thing is perfectly fitted. Am I clear? Now, the thing is, first of all, before starting the calculations, you get to know how to find out the least count of this device. Now, what do you mean by least count? Least count is actually basically the minimum value a device can measure beta. Okay, so to find out the least count, we have to measure the pitch as well as the number of divisions on this circular scale. And before solving out your pitch, before solving out your least count, you need to calculate pitch. Clear, bache? Now come to the procedure. Now, before doing calculation, we have to observe some things. That is there any error that is present in your instrument? How you can do it, beta? Firstly, close it. When you rotate the spindle, you can see that zero of this linear scale or main scale is completely coinciding with the zero of your circular scale. That means there is no error. There is no error. If in case your zero of your circular scale is lower or below than this zero of the your linear scale, then it means you have some positive error. Then you have some positive error as it has shown here. Now, if the zero is above the zero of your main scale, that means there are some negative errors. Always keep it in your mind that errors are demonstrated with the sign convention. Overall, the final reading in this experiment will be beta the observed reading minus errors, but you have to mention the sign. Am I clear? Okay. Before starting our experiment, we need to find out the least count. Least count means the minimum value a device can measure. For solving least count, you need a pitch divided by number of division on circular scale reading. Clear? So that we need to find out the pitch also. How you can calculate the pitch? Because the distance moved by thimble on main scale divided by number of rotation of circular scale. Now listen, how you will do it. Firstly, you just rotate the thimble in anti-clockwise direction. Let it be one time, and it is again two times. When I rotate the spindle in two times in circular scale two times, I got the two lines on the main scale. That means the lines given on the main scale are 2. So how I can find out the pitch? This beta divide 2, the distance moved by thimble on the main scale, divide by number of rotation, that is again 2. It means 1 mm be the pitch of your screw gauge. Clear? Now when you got the value of pitch, you can simply find out the value of least count. How you will find out beta? Pitch divided by number of division on circular scale. Your pitch value is 1 mm divided by how many number of divisions are on the circular scale beta? 100. These are 100. As you can see, very closely look can give you the idea that we have the value from 0 to 100. So 1 mm divided by 100, it will gives you the value of 0.01 mm. And you can simply convert it into centimeter also. That will be a 0.001 centimeter.